Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have I think it's a 5-pack of underwear. So let's check these out and I'll show you guys what they look like here. This is them here. So they are kind of stretchy and they thin and they should be really comfortable. So I'm gonna try this on here and show you guys what I look like wearing it here in a second. So let's give it a go. So here we are. Neil's gonna try on the underwear for you. Okay, so here I am wearing some underwear. So this, I got a size large just because I figured I'd give myself a little bit of room in here because I'm about 190 pounds now. I've gained a little bit of weight. But you can see this is how it fits. Fits good on my butt. It actually has a really nice feel. It's got a good room up here for my front section. And there you go. You can see this is how I look wearing it. It's really nice. I like it. It's comfortable. And it looks like we come with 1, 2, I think it was 5, 3, 4, 5 of the same. So this is what they all look like. And let me see what's it made of. Does it say here? It says it's 95% viscose from bamboo and 5% spandex. So that's nice. It's bamboo. I think that's why I got it, because it was something a little bit other than cotton. So it'll have a little bit of different, a little less absorbency. It'll just be a little bit better for me as I'm doing exercising and things like that, because these are, nice, comfortable underwear. So good. I like them. Thumbs up.